Welcome back. You're watching the second match in this semi-final series. Jamaica College won the first match. Scores today so far: Jamaica College on 5, Wolmer's boys also on 5. As we, there is a change to the score. So you'll have noticed Jamaica College picked up 1 point over the break. The answer to the English language question about the idiom "to hit below the belt," they said to act unfairly. That has been accepted by the judges. As we head into the speed challenge, in which teams can answer as many questions as possible during 3 separate 60-second periods. Wolmer's boys, you were sent in to bat first. It's time for your first minute. In the Bible, which son of Jacob lost his mother during childbirth?
Benjamin.
Yes. What structure located at the back of the human brain coordinates voluntary muscle movement, balance, and posture? Yes. Spell acquisition.
Acquision.
Yes. Who is the Member of Parliament for East Portland in Jamaica? Yes. What is the name for the first day of Lent on the Christian calendar? Yes. What are the names given to lines drawn on a map to connect points reachable within the same travel time?
Continent.
No. Isochrones. To which family of instruments does the ukulele belong?
String.
Yes. Or lute. In which group of the periodic table is tin?
12.
No. 4a or 14. Factorize x squared minus 8x plus 7.
8x plus 7. This is x minus 7 into x plus 1.
X minus 1 into x minus 7. Which film won the Best Picture Award at the 98th Academy Awards?
Where? No. One more time than another.
Yes. Who was the third U.S. president?
Thomas Jefferson.
Yes. What was the full... And we won't have time. Well done, Wolmer's boys, for your first minute. Jamaica College, we're coming over to you now for your first minute here in the Speed Challenge. In the Bible, how many children did Jacob's wife Rachel have?
2.
Yes, name 2 of the 3 parts of the human brain stem.
Brainstem, the medulla oblongata, and the cerebellum.
No, the midbrain pons, medulla oblongata. Spell aquarium.
Aquarium. A-Q-U-A-R-I-U-M.
Yes, who is the Member of Parliament for South Central St. Catherine in Jamaica?
Andrew Haley.
Yes, what is the name for the Sunday before Easter in the Christian tradition? Yes, what are the names given to lines drawn on a map to connect points of equal water depth?
Isobat.
Yes, to which family of instruments does the marimba belong?
Percussion.
Yes, or pitched percussion. In which group of the periodic table is selenium?
Selenium. 16.
Yes, or 6a, factorize x squared plus 12x plus 35.
Plus 35, so 7 and 5. X plus 7.
X plus 7, X plus 5.
Yes, who received the Best Actress in a Leading Role Award at the 98th Academy Awards?
Best actress this time.
Rose Bourne, no. Jesse Buckley.
Yes, after the assassination of Abraham Lincoln in 1865, who became U.S.
Andrew
President?
Johnson.
Yes, what was the full birth name of the... and we won't have time. Well done, JC, for your first minute. Wolmer's boys, back over to you now. It's time for your second minute. What is the first and last name of the person who discovered radioactivity?
Anton Becquerel.
Yes, give the English translation for El español es un idioma difícil de aprender.
So, Spanish is a difficult language to learn.
Yes, name one of the writers of the 1980 collection of short stories Over Our Way.
This is Alexina.
No, Jean DaCosta or Velma Pollard. In which Jamaican parish would you find the Kellets High School?
Manchester.
No, it's in Clarendon. According to the Bible, to which tribe of Israel did Moses belong?
Levi.
Yes, which human organ regulates blood osmotic pressure?
Kidney.
Yes, spell acupuncture.
A-C-U-P-U-N-C-T-U-R-E.
Yes, the Jamaican government is imposing a tax on sugary drinks in the 2026-27 fiscal year. Is this true or false?
True.
Yes, what is the official name for the hashtag symbol?
Pound sign.
No, it's the Octothorpe. How many of the 193 sovereign states that are members of the United Nations have flags which are non-rectangular? 3. For which album did Kendrick Lamar win the Grammy for Best Rap Album? Yes, in 2026. What is the chemical formula for the thiosulfate ion? And you won't have time. That's S2O3, 2 minus. Well done, Wolmer's boys, for your second minute there. JC, coming back over to you now for your second minute.
I mean, physics.
What is the first and last name of the person who discovered X-rays?
X-rays. William Morgan.
Yes, give the English translation for El precio del libro es demasiado alto.
The price of the book is too high.
Yes, which Antiguan-born author wrote the 1983 collection of short stories and poems At the Bottom of the River? Yes, in which Jamaican parish would you find the Mayday High School?
Manchester.
Yes, according to the Bible, which king ordered that Jeremiah be thrown into a cistern?
Joachim.
No, Zedekiah. What is the name of the bottom or fatty layer of the human skin?
Adipose tissue.
Sorry?
Adipose tissue.
Hypodermis or subcutaneous tissue, spelled cauliflower.
Cauliflower. So, Cauliflower.
Yes, the Jamaican government has announced an increase in GCT in the tourist industry from 10 to 15% for the 2027-28 fiscal year. Is this true or false? It is. Which European country makes it illegal to own fewer than 2 guinea pigs?
France.
Switzerland, named the sovereign state in Asia that is a member of the United Nations and which has a non-rectangular flag. Correct. Who won the Best New Artist Award?
Already!
2026
Gradine.
Grammys. I believe the answer came, but after the bell. That is. And that was your second minute, JC. Very well done. Wolmer's boys coming back over to you now for your third and final minute. If 2 raised to the power of 2x plus 1 equals 64, what is the value of x?
5 or 2.
Yes. Which comedian hosted the 2026 Academy Awards?
Trevor
No, Conan O'Brien. In which year was the Jamaican parish of Westmoreland named?
1770.
1703. What was the West Indies score in the Super 8s match against Zimbabwe in the 2026 T20 Cricket World
He
Cup?
won by 107 ones.
254 for 6. What is the rate of a change of velocity called?
Acceleration.
Yes. What is the English translation for the Spanish La maestra ayuda a los niños a escribir la carta?
So the teacher helped the students to write letters.
Yes, good. Who wrote the late 19th century novel The Woodlanders?
Woodlanders. It is. Pass.
Robert Hardy. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Alligator nefikal ag.
Lamont.
Yes, in the Bible, name one of the sons of Aaron who was killed for offering strange
Nadab.
fire on the altar. Sorry?
Nadab.
Yes, or Abihu. The dorsum is the Latin name for which part of the human body? The back is indeed correct and came before the bell. Well done, Wolmer's boys, for your third and final minute. Jamaica College, we're coming back over to you now for your third and final minute. What is the chemical formula for the phosphate ion?
Phosphate, PO43 minus.
Yes, if 5 raised to the power of 2x minus 1 equals 125, what is the value of x?
This is 2x minus 1 equals 3. 2.
Yes, which filmmaker completed the famous EGOT status in 2026? Steven Spielberg. The Jamaican parish of Trelawney was established in which year?
1770.
Yes, who top scored for the West Indies score in the Super 8s match against Zimbabwe?
Roman Shepherd.
No, Shimron Hetmaya. What is the rate of change of displacement called?
Velocity.
Yes, what is the English translation? For the Spanish, los atletas entrenan todas las mañanas para correr rápido.
The athletes train every week to run faster.
Every morning to run fast. Who wrote the early 20th century novella Death in Venice?
Thomas Mann.
Yes, complete the Jamaican proverb. Old fire can't sharpen.
You machete.
Yes, in the Bible, can name the son of Aaron who replaced him as high
Eleazar.
priest. Yes, the genu is the Latin name for which part of the human body? The knee. That's right. The knee is correct. That's your third and final minute, JC. That's the end of the speed challenge here. Scores in the match look to be Jamaica College slightly ahead on 30 points. Wolmer's boys on 26. Let's now hear a good word from True Milk. Find inspiration. Read about successful people in your field of interest. When we come back, it'll be time for what is indeed shaping up to be the exciting Buzzer Challenge, which will decide our winners and potentially a spot in the final. Stay with us. The second match in this semi-final series returns right after this.